Hi, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to turn on options to change color and size of the pointer in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To change our cursor color and size, we have to go to settings first, then scroll all the way down to the accessibility options and vision enhancement. Then at the bottom here we have pointer size and color. Here is our size option and we can change color if we need to. As you can see, it's a little bit hidden, but you can find it with our little guide. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.